Where is the elephant? Turo mo, lapitan mo daw, lapitan mo, go. Elephant. Where's the hippo? Lapitan mo, anak, lapitan mo. Oh, yun. Where's the monkey? Ayun. Where's the giraffe? Ayun. Where's the frog? Where's the rhino? Ayun. Where's the lion? Where's the kangaroo? Ayun. Where's the tiger? Tiger, anak. Where's the tiger? Ayun sa harap mo. No, not that one. The other one. Ayun! Where's the zebra? Ayun! Ang galing nga. Where's the antelope? Ayun! Yay! Very good!